Evaluate dw of w raised to the 3/2 times w plus c e w power. Now, even if we were not told c is a constant, we know that w is a variable of differentiation in this case because of the notation dw. This says that we take the derivative of this expression with respect to w. Now, inside is a product, so we're going to use the product rule. There are two factors here. The first factor being u is w to the 3/2 power, and the second factor is v equals w plus ce to the w power. The product rule says that if we have u times v, the derivative of u times v is u prime times v plus u times v prime. There's a factor of u prime, there's a factor of v, there's a factor of u, and a factor of v prime. Now that we have u and v, what is u and what is v? U is a factor in the product, and v is another. U times v need to be the original expression. We would need u prime and v prime as well to write the answer. The reason why we break this down is because it is much simpler to find the derivative of each of the pieces. Using the power rule to find the derivative of w to the 3/2 power, u prime is 3/2 w, and 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2. V prime, v is the sum of two terms, so we find the derivative of each term separately and add them. The derivative of w with respect to w is 1. Think of w as x. Plus c times the constant multiple stay constant multiple, and the derivative of e to the w power is still e to the w. Writing the answer, the derivative of the product is u prime times v plus uv prime, where we found u already, and v and u prime and v prime. U prime is 3/2 w 1/2 power times v. V is w plus ce raised to the w power, but every time we multiply an expression that has more than one term, make sure to put the parentheses around it. We're not done yet. The second term plus u times v prime, where u is w 3/2 power times v prime is 1 plus ce to the w. This is the answer, although oftentimes we would need to simplify this by distributing the terms outside. 3/2 w to the 1/2 power times w is 3/2. 1/2 plus 1 is 3/2, plus 3/2 w 1/2 times c e to the w plus w to the 3/2 power plus w to the 3/2 power times c e to the w. Remember that c is a constant, and so it is better to put c in front of the term. So this is 3/2 w to the 3/2 power plus 3/2 c w to the 1/2 e to the w plus w to the 3/2 plus c times w to the 3/2 times e to the w power. We also recognize that there are like terms in this expression. There is 3/2 w 3/2 power and there is another 1w to the 3/2 power. And so we need to combine like terms. 3/2 and 1 is 5/2. So there are 5/2 w to the 3/2 power plus 3/2 cw to the 1/2 ew plus cw 3/2 times e to the w. And this is the final answer.